Tesla is making significant progress in the development of its autonomous...
Hello guys, if you are running a Faceless YouTube channel, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an AI generated video using ChatGPT and Hendra. Hendra is a website that is used to generate videos from image. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Hendra to teach you how to generate your videos. So I still repeat myself again, if you are seeing me for the first time, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's head on to the tutorial section of this video. Alright, we have already generated our image. I taught us on our last class that how to generate image using ChatGPT AI. So this is the image I generated that we are going to use in this video. This is the image. So this is the image of the video you just watched just now. So we have to go to our Chrome. Let's go to the important section of the video. So you look at this hendra.ai.com if you want to search it on Chrome. So you click on this character, this plus. You click on upload image. You understand? Then you pick this. Look at the image we are using. So you add it. Now, they say audio script. They say generate speech, record audio, and upload audio. So we are now going to use our own speech. So you click on generate speech. So we'll write something here. So let's take, for instance, we are to, okay, let me just do copy and paste so that you understand. Let me do copy and paste. So let me do copy and paste. Just give me a minute. So let's copy this. So let's copy it. We'll go back to our, then you paste the script here. Can you see it? Then you click on choose a voice. So you click on choose a voice. And then let's just use this first one. If this one is not okay, let's use this. Let's click on this one. So now we are in this stage now. You click on add to voice. You click on add to voice. Then you click on this, the last section. So now here you put add motion to the video. Okay. Then you say head movement, and body gesture. So you click on OK. I'm coming. The video is creating. So can you see it? Here is the video. Here is our video. Let's play it. Coming.
Tesla is making significant progress in the development of its autonomous driving software and hardware, including our FSD computer, which is currently in production,
and subscribe,
and which will enable full self.
This is how to create a cartoon using pictures. Okay, you can do this with any picture you feel like. But if you want to make it more interesting, just generate your own picture yourself. Okay.
Tesla is making significant progress in the development of its autonomous driving software and hardware, including our FSD computer, which is currently in production, and which will enable full self